Hey everyone, today let's write a Java program for the problem statement. Print 2D matrix using recursion starting from 0, 0 till m-1, n-1 index. First let's write the main method. So in the main method let's write the scanner and take the input of a number of rows and columns. Now let's create a matrix with m rows and n columns. Now let's take the input from the user in the matrix. Matrix of I and G equals to sc dot next int. Now let's write a method public static void print matrix. In this we will take the matrix as the input, as a parameter, and int row and column. So in this method we are going to print the whole matrix. So int m equals to matrix dot length, so it gives the number of rows, and int n is equals to matrix of 0 dot length, it gives the number of columns in the matrix. So if first what we have to do, we have to print the element in the row and column. So row column, so here we go. And then what we have to do, we have to see if it has the next row. Like if we have next, we have to increment initially. If in case, let's take an example here. Let's say our matrix is like this. It's like 4, 5, 6. So initially we are here 0, 0. So okay, we will print this one with this print statement. And next what we have to do, we have to go in the same row, we have to go for next column. So what we will do is, we will call this same method, but we will keep the row as same and column plus 1. Okay, now here we have reached 2 and we have printed 2, then 3, and we will print the 3. But after 3 there is no other column, so we have to put a condition. Only we have to go plus 1 when there is the next element. If there is no next element, if not, we can even do this. If we have print all the elements in this row, then we have to go to next row. Means if we have reached this row, means column equals to n, then we have to go to the next row. So for that we will write a if statement here. If we have reached the, means column is double equals to n-1, then what we have to do, we have to go to the next line and we have to even increment the row plus 1 and start from the first, like 0th index. So if we have reached here, we have to go to the next row and start from 0th index, right? So row plus 1 and column is 0. Okay, then if it is not like that, we will do this. Done? Yes. And when we are going to stop this recursion, that for that we have to write a base condition. When we will stop the recursion, when we have reached the end of this, see, we have reached here, we finished printing this and this. When we have reached the last row and last column, then we have to stop the recursion. That's the base condition. When we will reach this last row, last column and do the next, then we will do row plus 1. So when row plus 1 is what? It will increment to plus 1. So initially it was 0, then 1, and now it will be 2. So when it is 2, there is no row as 2. So what we will do? When if row is double equals to m, means length of the, means rows, number of rows, then we will break or return from the recursion. Okay, in this way we will do. So from the main method, let's call the print matrix. So print matrix, we will give the matrix and initially we will pass 0, 0. So I hope this will print the all the elements in the matrix. Let's run and check. So number of elements is like 3 and 3. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Enter. So we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So everything is print vertically. Let's see how to make it horizontally. Just remove here. When we are printing, let's not print this ln, so then it won't go to the next line. So let's run and see again. So 3 3, it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. See, it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here